Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining our webinar today on Boost Your Business Productivity with an Office 365 Intranet. Great to have you with us. I'm Surendra Dudani, the Director of Business and Products Development at BizPortal Solutions. In today's webinar, we'll focus on a central theme. Are you using your Office 365 effectively to improve business operations and productivity? We'll be showcasing our industry-leading BizPortal's 365 Intranet product to demonstrate modern features and our own unique BizPortal's 365 features that make an intranet a business hub. So what does it mean by a business intranet? One, modern intranet delivers a fresh user experience with modern features for your employees and organization to drive collaboration, engagement, and modernize your workplace. It is absolutely a turnkey and ready-made intranet. So it is a cost-effective, ready-to-go solution that can be implemented in days, saving you time, dollars, and resources. So intranets like BizPortals 365 give you an intranet quickly and inexpensively. Two, it goes beyond just communication, collaboration, and other typical intranet features. It provides built-in document management, project management, HR, and workflow automation tools, all in one solution to be your complete business intranet. Three, it is built on Office 365 and SharePoint, so it has added benefits. If you are on Office 365, it instantly connects and allows you to fully utilize and get more out of your Office 365 toolset. It integrates with other business systems and applications, providing you a single portal solution with a unified user experience. Then as a central place and solution for all your information, employees, tools, and applications, and with all its functionality, it really turns your Office 365 and intranet into a business hub. So in short, that is what makes Office 365 into a business productivity hub, and we'll talk more about each of these points in our webinar. With that introduction, let's jump into the agenda. Our agenda will be as follows. First, we are going to give you a quick introduction into our team and company. Second, we'll give you an overview of a business productivity intranet, BizPortals 365, what it is and how it is built on Office 365. Third, we'll talk about specific features and capabilities of a business intranet. Then I'll demo our product to show you its features and functionality live. And as a company, BizPortal Solution is a full-service software and service company solely dedicated to organizations in Office 365 and SharePoint. We are based in Orange County, Southern California, with offices in Boston and India. Our staff is comprised of Office 365 and SharePoint experts, software architects, product developers, custom success team members, and solution consultants. With respect to our product, BizPortals 365, we provide a number of services and support around the product to help our customers be successful. Our product-related services include customization, setup and onboarding, customer success and training, and ongoing maintenance. We also provide services to those that are not using our product but need general Office 365 or SharePoint help, as we have deep Office 365, SharePoint, and technical expertise and love helping organizations of all sizes to empower their employees. We provide SharePoint development, integration, business analysis, and data migration services. You can visit our website, bizportals365.com, to get more information on our services. We have over 15 years of experience developing intranet and digital workplace solutions on SharePoint and Office 365. So we are experts in this realm as well as Office in Microsoft platform. We help businesses of all sizes, small to large and across industries, from financial services to healthcare to IT to nonprofits and educational institutions, as we can customize our solution to meet your business and industry specific needs. Finally, we have been Microsoft Gold partners for over 15 years as well. As an example, we'll talk about BizPortals 365, an internet solution that we provide. As you can see in the diagram, BizPortals 365 extends and enhances Office 365 and SharePoint out-of-the-box capabilities. First, improved and more flexible usability to deliver a modern, intuitive, and consumer-grade experience. Things like drag and drop design and making it very easy to publish and share content and files are just a couple of examples, but you will see more in the demo. Then BizPortals 365 delivers a lot of more functionality to modernize many more aspects of how you work and collaborate across different functions. We have extended the capabilities and functionalities beyond typical intranet features with robust built-in business-oriented features for project management, forms management and automation, and HR and employee management that can each stand alone as separate solutions but are fully integrated with your intranet. Also, with BizPortals 365, we have built-in integrations with Office 365 tools to bring in key functionality into one solution in one unified experience. We have built-in integrations with Outlook for email integration, so you can get email notifications on important company and project news, upcoming task deadlines, document updates, approvals, and more. OneDrive for your file storage, Teams and Yammer for project discussions and real-time communication, Planner to supplement your task management, Flow to automate your manual forms and workflows, Delve for smart organizations and curation of content, Power BI to make data and reports easy to digest and understand with graphs, visuals, and dashboards. And with BizPortals 365, we have enabled the capability to integrate with our business applications to bring in and distribute data and reports and bring in workflows from these external systems. For example, ERP systems, CRM systems, including Salesforce and MS Dynamics Stack, HRIS system, including Workday and PeopleSoft, some people management systems, including MS Project Server, Project Service Automation. Then finally, we have built-in Office 360, BizPortals 365 with common design and experience elements. Simplicity, easy to use and set up, conciseness as we focus on providing features that businesses use and need, nothing more. Automation with built-in integration and infrastructure to automate multi-step workflows. Designed it with a self-service approach, so it is equipped with self-service tools and there is minimal to no learning curve for all users. Flexibility, though it is a ready-made solution, it can be customized and can integrate with various business systems. Of course, it has enterprise-grade security and mobility, being a Microsoft and cloud-based product. And in terms of mobility, we have built BizPortals 365 with a responsive design so that you have a seamless experience on any device. Scalability, we have built BizPortals 365 to grow with you as you can easily add more people, teams, and content to the portal as you grow. There are many intranet solutions out there. Most, if not all, are focused on social and employee engagement features. They have team sites, news, content sharing, and team communication features. They may have document management, but it is typically light. And they don't go deep into functionality and important features are untouched. BizPortals 365, on the other hand, is focused on providing business value. Though social features are important and BizPortals 365 has these common features, we went beyond typical communication and collaboration features with deeper and more extensive functionality while maintaining a modern and easy to use design. So with BizPortals 365, we have extended it to be a modern and comprehensive business intranet solution. I mentioned this point a few times, but an important point here is that businesses and teams often have a number of different single purpose tools. For example, a separate tool for project management, one for HR, one for document management, etc. And this is costly. BizPortals 365 allows you to replace and consolidate these tools and rally around one central, comprehensive, and fully integrated tool, allowing you to save costs and derive more business value. Now let's go through some specific features. I'll go through this part somewhat quickly and just highlight some key features, as it will be more worthwhile for you to see these features in the demo. Information distribution. With BizPortals 365, it is very easy to add, edit, and share different types of content, whether it is company or team documents, news, announcements, alerts, projects, tasks, etc. It also has powerful and advanced search features, allowing you to easily and quickly search across all information content, projects, news, and events within the portal, saving a few hours per day. Employees spend looking for information they need to get their work done. BizPortals 365 simplifies and modernizes the way businesses manage their documents and content across the life cycle, from content creation and sharing to governance, retention, archival, and compliance. It has features that make it easy to categorize, tag, and organize documents, collaborate and co-author documents with multiple people and teams in real time. It has a robust document approval process. It provides integrations with OneDrive and Dell to make documents easily accessible no matter where you are. It also includes OCR features, so you can scan images, store them, and search them based on the text content of the scanned documents. BizPortals 365 has robust project management features to help push your projects forward. It has dashboard views that provide a quick and consolidated view into the status of your projects. It is equipped with numerous task management features such as checklists, milestones, linked lists, tasks, and subtasks. You can easily organize, track, and visualize tasks in different views. We just recently added the Kanban Board feature for easy task management and added more to our Gantt chart functionality. It also has integrated embedded project discussions and discussion boards so that you can keep your projects and communications streamlined together in one place. BizPortals 365 has an employee center where employees can easily find the company's up-to-date policies and procedures. It is also great for training and development. Many of our clients specifically use BizPortals for training, where they house training content, videos, and training activity checklists. BizPortals 365 also has employee onboarding and offboarding tools, all to help simplify your HR and decrease the burden and dependence on your HR department so that they can focus on more high-value tasks. BizPortals 365 has built-in workflow automation tools and infrastructure to support simple multi-step workflow like approving time off and purchase requests from your manager, HR, and finance department to more complex workflows such as managing inventory, compliance, or IT help desk tickets. We provide out-of-the-box common forms that businesses often use for day-to-day needs. And if needed, we can easily customize the forms to your needs. You can also automate and bring in workflows from different systems such as ERP, CRM, sales, and finance, and so on. So the things BizPortals 365 can automate are vast. Additional BizPortal features. There are some features included, quick to set up within days as a turnkey solution, always up to date. BizPortals 365 is SaaS-based, so we provide regular product and feature updates, so you don't have to worry about your intranet becoming old and obsolete. Rather, it will always be up to date. You can fully brand it. It has easy personalization in terms of layout and configuration. It is customizable, as I mentioned. Also, it has responsive UI, providing you with a mobile intranet. Single sign-on with Office 365 for a seamless and unified experience. Cloud, and I mentioned it is available on-premise also. With that, I hope you get a solid overview of our BizPortals 365 product. and how it gives you an awesome cost-effective intranet solution that modernizes your workplace and delivers business value and a quick ROI. Also, you saw the minimal investment it requires, the cost savings it provides, and productivity gains you get from a complete business intranet. Please continue to ask questions. There is a chat box uh, in Zoom where you can ask questions as well. Now I will go over to give you a quick demo and give you an overview of what BizPortals 365 provides. Okay, as you can see, this is a landing page, and this page is very configurable. All our portal parts that you see are configurable. You can move them around. The layout is very flexible. You can use some parts and not use other parts. Whatever it makes sense, you can customize it. And every part has its own configuration for look and feel, for functionality, and so forth. The way it is organized is that you have the landing page that you see. We have employee center for communications between employees. It's kind of a coffee room or HR room. It depends on how you make it. We have common project site, which you can use to have projects across teams. We have departments. These are sample departments, and you can create as many as you like. Each department comes with project site plus document management and various other things. There's a top level document center for common documents that you may want to share. We have form center where there are forms that are kept, and all the electronic forms with approvals, with workflows are kept, and all the records are of course kept for each form. You have my site, which allows you to go to a place where you can get all your work related activities like projects, tasks, calendars, and so forth. We have other items like FAQs, knowledge management. We have employee directory, site directory. You can manage dynamic alerts like you see over here. This is called a dynamic alert, which can appear for an emergency or any activity that might take place. So, and I can click it away, and it goes away. So it's like a notice that comes that is very visible and people can see it. And we have quick navigation, which allows you to move to any site or projects or document library or anywhere you want to go. It keeps track of where you have been, and you can pin sites and so forth. So it makes navigation really easy. So let's start with the information distribution. So there are several parts that allow you to do that. For example, this is a bulletin board, and here you can post uh, items, which may be alerts, which may be news items, and which may be just some article that you want to share with people. And you can add content very easily. Uh, you go to settings, and these are the current postings. You click on plus button, you choose what type of posting it is, and then you can give details like title, and then provide the description, start time, end time, when it should appear, when it should disappear. You can also specify location that you want to target. If you want all locations, it'll go to all locations, and choose your color, and you can also select send email as well. And as soon as you save it, it will just appear over here. So it's very easy. You don't need IT, you don't need big knowledge about anything. You just put what the content you want to display to the people, and it will appear over here. Similarly, we have other things like this news, which is a little bit larger. You do the same things through the settings menu. Right now there are 4 news items, and you can click and you can see the pictures, and it has certain formatting, and there are several options for the layout of this part. So you can communicate your news announcements and things like that. And there are other features like employee highlights, which picks up your birthdays, anniversaries, and stuff from profile and shows it to you. It is very configurable. Again, the layouts, you have many options for layouts. You have a calendar which you can share, and it brings calendars from different places in the portal. For example, right now there are 5 calendars. It rolls up all the events here. You can see them all together if you want to see them. For example, like this, and you can see very clearly. And this is a great way of sharing your common events for all the employees. You can also bring your personal Outlook events. As we mentioned, this is integrated with Outlook. And if I sync it, all my Outlook events will also appear over here. You have other convenience things like you are following people, documents, departments. These are your own tasks that appear right on the home page if you want to. And you can click on any of these tasks and update them and save them. So you have quick access. These tasks may be coming from projects, departments, wherever. They all roll up over here and show it in one place. And you have recent documents here, and we have many other web parts that allow you, like integration with Teams. We have drop boxes where you can drop pictures and documents, and it gets routed to the libraries. We have integration with Planner and so forth. And this is a quick people lookup. So if I type few characters, you see all the matching people. And from here, you can chat, you can send an email, you can call, you can Skype. All these features are there. And we are also location based. So if you have multiple locations, you can have people that appear per location. Another place where people share common information is Employee Center. Here, people use it for many other reasons, one of them being training. So you have video streaming here. You can put as many as you like. You can have multiple videos over here, and you can bring it from YouTube, Vimeo, or video portal on Office 365, the stream portal, and you can show it right here. You have news and announcement. For example, new employees has joined, so you can show it a quick intro to them. There's benefits program that has been announced. These are important places you want people to go to. And then this is a great place where you have lots of information that you can share and organize. For example, this is carpool information. And here you have insurance information, you have work-life events, you have travel information, and you have employee onboarding, offboarding information. You can have calendars and various lists, and you can configure however you like, however it fits in your organization. And it's very easy to change contents. For example, here I can just make a change here, save it, and it appears right here. So very quick, easy to manage. Again, you don't need big IT or anything to share. You can share your pictures, videos, your contacts, and you have the documents also associated with it. You can have one or more libraries. For example, this has 3 libraries right now. And let's go to the document management. So here's the document library. Here you can drag and drop any kind of documents. It could be Word document, PDF, or anything, any file. It's just like a file management system with additional capabilities for documents. For example, here I can do edit, delete, rename. I can check in, check out. It keeps track of versions. I can give access rights, permission, share. I can share with, pin it to the top for favorite. I can see my recent activities on a particular document. I can see versions, keeps track of version history. We also have integrated a document approval process where you can specify a group of people who would approve your documents. And there's a lot of functionality associated with that. You can start a workflow. It goes through the people, and people one by one approve the document. You have more options like normal move, copy, and stuff like that. You can download. We have integrated with some tools like DocuSign, PDF, uh, and here you can see one of the capabilities we have added is categorizing and subcategorizing, for example, here, and making views out of these categorizations. For example, this is a policy view. You can quickly see all the policy documents. And you have, as I said, approvals integrated. So this shows that this document was rejected. It went through the approval and it was rejected. This was checked out. This is checked out currently. And you can organize for published documents and documents that are in progress. You can tag with keywords. You can create your own uh, particular fields, metadata, and you can search documents right here. You can drag and drop documents. You can do search on the site or on the global search. And this global search can search documents, events, FAQs, people, or anything that is in the portal as a content. So it has very powerful search capability. You can search either the content. The contents, if you have like an image, it does the OCR and brings the contents in there. A lot of functionality there. So let me go over to now a template. This is the template for departments or teams. Here you have all kinds of lists. You can have tasks, issues. This is a custom list for checking certain activities. You have calendars, and you can have again videos. It shows you projects that are open and so forth. So it comes with project management as well as document library also for each department, each team. There are many other parts which are not shown here. And again, this is all configurable. So let's go to the projects. This is the project hub where this particular department has 5 projects open, and I can see the summary right by clicking here, and you can see the project summary right here. If you have hundreds of projects, this allows you to quickly search what you're looking for. And this gives you a quick view of how many projects are open and so forth. If I go to a particular project, I go to a project page, which gives me again, you can have internal discussion for the project, news and announcements. These are some summaries. You can have description, goals, objectives, resources. You can also have sub-projects. And these are tasks, milestones, and other things that are normally associated with projects. Plus, you can have custom lists. So here I can open a task here, and I can update it. I can edit it, and it keeps track of everything. It can have checklist and other things and so forth. So a lot of functionality there. You also have documents associated with it. We have Kanban board for the same task list. I can move it around. I can open it here. This gives you a visual view. We have another Gantt chart functionality where it gives you a timeline and you can schedule your tasks over here. And then we have the forms management, which allows you to fill out normal forms like new hire setup, out of office, key performance, IT help desk, reimbursement, and things like that. So IT help desk, you just fill in the details and save it. It goes to the IT cases, and the IT department will take care of it. So here is the reimbursement form, and this is filled out for $640. If I submit it, then it goes to the manager. For example, the manager will get a form like this, the same form, and he can approve it or reject it. If he approves it, it goes to the second level for the accounting, and if they approve it, then it's complete. So here there are all these electronic forms that are part of the portal. They come bundled with the portal itself. A lot of capabilities here for automating forms and so forth. So this gives you a brief view of what the functionality is. There are many other functionalities. I haven't gone through this. For example, this is the employee portal, employee directory, and you can again contact people from there. I hope you got a good overview of it. And if you are interested and if you think it is useful, please uh, arrange for a demo. We can give you a one-on-one demo and go through in details all the functionality. Thank you for your time. Thank you for attending. And I hope you'll be in touch with us. We will be in touch with you. Of course, we'll give you a follow-up email. Thank you very much.